In this tutorial, we will see how to connect to MySQL Server. Let's start with the get data here and some more. And here I have MySQL database. So connect. Okay, so it's throwing an error here. This connector requires one or more additional component to be installed before it can be used. Let's click on more and see what's there. Okay, it's asking for .NET connector here. So download. Okay, we have downloaded this MySQL connector. Let's get install it. Next. Okay, let's complete install. Let's say finish. Okay, let's try it once again. Okay, this time we are not doing any restart. Let's see what's happened without restart the Power BI. It's still giving me the same error. Now just close the Power BI and start again. Meanwhile, I'm just checking the MySQL workbench here. It's saying DemoDB and test schemas. Okay, let's check it again. Get data. And MySQL. Okay, something is happening this time. Yep, it's up and running. So after installing the connector, you have to restart your Power BI desktop. Just remember this. Now I have my server, that is my localhost, and my database is like test, but I don't have anything there right now. So I will just go there and create some sample table. Okay, I will say one here and add some columns. ID and name. That's it. I'm done. Say apply. Apply. Finish. Let's close this one. So now I have one table here, and okay, let's just check it here. So I don't have any values there. And then edit option is here. So I will say one, and we'll say John, two, Katya, and three, check. Okay, let's close this one and say apply here. So it's giving me this insert statements. Say apply, finished, rerun it. Now I have this value out as output. Okay, so I have three records there in MySQL. Now just say OK on your Power BI desktop, and here I will use the database user root and my password, and we'll have the localhost connect test we have. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we got this data. So, okay. So this is how you can connect to MySQL Server using Power BI. And for that you will require the connector that we have downloaded from this particular link here. Okay. So just click on back. So it is say MySQL community and its connector .NET connector is there. The latest version, whatever here we downloaded. After download and install, we have rebooted this Power BI desktop, not the system, and then we connected the server, and now the data we have. So you can see this data. Okay, showing some IDs here. You can see this way also. Okay, so thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel to make more videos. Thank you.